Facebook recently new update named soccer mode or football mode. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable and disable soccer mode or football mode. So let's see how to do this. First of all, you need to update Facebook app, so go to Play Store. Tap on search bar, search Facebook. From here, update in Facebook latest version. After completing update process, open Facebook and then double click on Facebook icon. Click on Let's Go option and then try to create on any post. Now see football react option showing normal react option. Now if I want disable this option, just double click on Facebook icon. Now see soccer disable done.